Hi everyone, Sid here, back again with another video. In this video we're going to discuss about how to make your clips bigger or smaller in Final Cut Pro. So I am using Mac machine right now and I have the FCP software. After a long time I was facing a lot of issues, so I get the solution. So I was thinking, so why I'm not creating video. So sometimes we are facing issues. So this clips is a smaller basically. Let me show you this one. So this is the process to create a smaller or bigger something. How? Let me show you this one. This clip we have. Okay, so we can use first way using here, and let me show you. Yes, you can check from here. And second process, you can use this one, and this one. We can use, okay, like this one and this one something. So how? Just you can use this one, and here I'm going to show you. Let me also this we're using this one. We can, this icon we can click and zoom, and also we can make a height smaller or bigger, or also we can make a time frame smaller or bigger. And if you don't want to use this one, you can also use a command plus 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 minus minus minus. So hope so this is clear for you. If you have any issue, please let me know, so I will create another video. Thank you for watching this video.